why is the degree of freedom the number of rows minus 1 times the number of columns minus 1 for a chi-squared two-way test? So let's just imagine that we have a table of data. All these x's represent cells where data would be, and these are the row columns, the row totals and the column totals, and then this is the total of all values. So if we started just putting in any values we wanted to for these x's, noticing that these 4 have to add up to 100, I could pick any numbers that I wanted to for the first 3, providing they don't add up to more than 100. But the fourth one, once I pick the first 3, I am not free to choose randomly for this one. I have to, there's only one value that's possible now. So that last entry in the top row is now determined no freedom. Okay? Now if I start filling in the second row, I can fill in the first 3 values of the second row with pretty much any numbers I want, as long as the 3 of them still don't add up to more than 200. But when I get to the fourth one, I don't have any more freedom, because now I know that this has to be whatever number would make the total equal to 200. Likewise, I can't fill in any of these bottom rows randomly, because now I have only one left in each column that determine specifically these column totals. So now all the entries are locked in. So only 3 values in the rows and 2 values in the columns are free to vary. So that's why my degree of freedom is 3 times 2 in this 4 by 3 table, or this 3 by 4 table. It's a 2. I have only 2 times 3 degrees of freedom. So hopefully that makes sense.